Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. If you've been here before and you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love hearing from all of you. Today we are making the happiness carrot muffins from Final Fantasy. To begin with, you are going to want to prep, peel and grate your carrots. It's 8 ounces or 227 grams. Once you've done this, you will be putting your cake mix together. It does say to do them separately between dry and wet ingredients. However, if you've seen the channel before, you know I just throw it all in and it's always fine. So it's 2 1/4 cups or 270 grams of all-purpose flour or plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, the zest of 1 orange, 1/3 of a cup or 79 ml of orange juice. I did do this and it was very orangey, so I would maybe half that if you're doing more cupcake sized. 1/3 of a cup or 79 ml of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of vanilla paste or extract, 1/4 cup or 52 grams of light brown sugar, half a cup or 120 grams of caster sugar, 8 ounces of your carrots are going in, the 227 grams that we previously grated, half a cup or 65 grams of walnuts. Obviously, if you've got nut allergies, don't do that. And half a cup or 80 grams. It says golden raisins. I don't have that, so I just use normal ones. And then once it's all mixed in and you're happy it's all fully incorporated, we will be putting it in the oven at 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Personally, I did have to do mine in a couple of batches. It says 16 muffins, but I think I made more like 20, but I'm doing more cupcake size. Let me know how you get on. As always, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.